video, I will be showing you how to rearrange featured products on Shopify. For example, you can see I am on my Shopify store right here, and you can see the arrangement of the products. Now let's say I would like to change it around so that the test product is displayed at the front right here and that it is in a proper order. Now to do this, all you'll need to do is go onto your admin page. Once on your Shopify admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, I want you to tap on Customize beside the theme that you're using. After selecting Customize, you want to ensure that the home page is selected. Once that is selected, you're going to tap on Featured Collection. So you can see it right here from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Featured Collection, you can see how it is arranged at the moment. And I'm going to be carrying the thumbnail with Etsy at the front right here. Now to do this, all I'll need to do is scroll down, and right where you see Collection on the left-hand menu option right here, you're going to tap on Change. Then you're going to tap on Change Collection. After tapping on Change Collection, from here, you're going to tap on Create Collection at the top. Once you have tapped on Create Collection, what you're going to do next, you're going to enter a new collection name. And by the way, if you have created a collection already, please be sure to watch until the end as I'll be showing you how to rearrange a collection that you have created previously. So all you would need to do is simply type in a name. So for example, I will call it Test. Then from there, you're going to select Manual. And you're going to tap on Save in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you have saved the changes, you're going to simply tap on Browse right where you see Search Products. And you're going to select all of the products that are on your store. Then you're going to tap on Add. After you have tapped on Add, all you'll need to do now, once the changes have been saved, as you can see right here, you're going to tap right where you see Sort, and you're going to tap there and you're going to tap on Manual. And if you had created a collection before, that is what you would do. You would simply tap right where you see Sort, which is right beside Browse, and you're going to select Manual. After doing that, you can pull the image or the product that you would like to be at the front. You can rearrange it. So as I said earlier, I'm going to put the thumbnail with Etsy at the front, and then you can also change around everything else if you want. Now, after you have created a collection, all I want you to do is go back onto the Customize page, and from here, we're going to refresh the page. So after you have refreshed the editor page, all you're going to do now is scroll down, and we're going to tap on Change once more, and we're going to tap on Change Collection. Then we're going to select the collection that we have created. So you can see it right there. So you can see that the order of the products have now changed. Once everything is to your liking, as you can see there, you're going to tap on Select in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Save, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.